Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, we're going to cover how to point a subdomain to a completely different server while keeping your main domain exactly where it is. So for example, your domain.com stays on telaHosting, but blog.yourdomain.com goes to a different hosting provider or platform. This is common for blog hosted elsewhere, web apps, landing pages, external tools, and common APIs. And it all comes down to just adding one DNS record. Before you start, make sure you have access to your DirectAdmin panel, your domain name, and either the IP address or the host name of the other server you're pointing to. Log into DirectAdmin, and on the Account Manager section, click on DNS Management. If the other server gives you an IP address, you will use an A record. So click on Add Record, choose A record, and fill in the name field with just the subdomain part. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, just type blog and DirectAdmin will handle the rest automatically. In the value field, enter the IP address of the other server and click Add. But if the other server gives you a host name instead of an IP, you will use a CNAME record instead. Click Add Record, choose CNAME, enter just the subdomain in the name field, and in the value field, enter the host name they give you. Always add a dot at the end of the target name in DirectAdmin, like example.com with a dot, and click Add. Before or after adding your new record, check that there isn't an A record or CNAME record for the same subdomain name. A subdomain can only have one main pointing record. If you find a conflicting record, delete it. Also, you do not need to create the subdomain under subdomain management in DirectAdmin. Doing that will try to host it on the same server, which is not what you want. Adding the DNS record alone is all that's needed. Propagation takes 5 to 15 minutes and up to 24 hours globally. And you can check it on DNS Checker by searching for the A record or CNAME record you just created. A few things to avoid while pointing your subdomain to another server. Don't add both an A record and a CNAME record for the same subdomain at the same time. Don't type the full domain in the name field, just the subdomain parts, and don't expect instant results. And that's all on how to point your subdomain to another server. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.